How to set up a Verizon Internet Gateway. Sick of waiting for a technician to drill holes in your walls? So this year, Verizon Internet Gateway is the ultimate plug-and-play solution. Today I'm showing you how to find the strongest 5G signal in your house and get your entire home online in under 10 minutes. So, before you even plug it in, placement is everything. Open My Verizon app and use the 5G Compass tool. This uses AR to show you exactly where the nearest 5G tower is in your neighborhood. You want to place your gateway on an elevated surface, like a shelf or a table, right next to a window facing that tower. Also keeping it away from signal killers like microwaves, mirrors, and metal cabinets can literally double your speed. And now you just plug your gateway into a power outlet. You'll see a blinking white light. This means it's booting up and downloading the latest security updates. Do not unplug it during this phase. The light might fluctuate between red and white for up to 5 minutes. Once it settles on a solid white light, you're officially connected to the network. If it stays solid red, the signal is too weak. So grab the compass again and try a different window. And next, it's time to make it official. In the My Verizon app, tap Activate. You can scan the QR code on the bottom of your gateway to link it to your account instantly. This year, the app gives you the option to mirror your old Wi-Fi name and password. I highly recommend this. It means all your smart home devices, TVs, and laptops will reconnect to the new gateway automatically without you re-entering a single password. And then, as a final step, you can just run the built-in speed test in the app. If you're not hitting your planned stop speeds, the app will suggest micro adjustments for the gateway's angle. And that's it. That's how you connect and cut the cord. If this setup guide got you up and running today, hit that subscribe button.